Cats, some of humans' most loved animals. They're cuddly, spoilt, and funny. But behind these cute, cuddly appearances, there are many problems caused by both feral and domestic cats. Bachelor, a town of about 500 people, is located approximately 98 kilometers from Darwin, the capital city of the NT. It borders Litchfield National Park, a conservation area for cultural sites, breeding grounds for fauna, and exhibits key flora sites. As an introduced species, many native animals have not evolved any defense systems within their body to avoid these cats. Veterinarian Nicholas Boncleur was a vet who partook in the euthanasia of feral cats and desexing of house pets. He says, hold up, what were you saying, Nick? Yeah, hey there, Tom. I think that the program was very successful as the captured animals did not suffer excessively when euthanized. And the desexing, which I believe should be an essential part of responsible pet ownership, was very good because, it was very responsible. Thanks for that, Nick. Right now, I have PETA spokeswoman Catherine Poore joining me. She is also satisfied with the treatment of the animals. Kathy, what exactly do you believe? Hey there, Tom. Although I do understand the significant threat that feral cat species do pose to our native wildlife, I am hesitant to agree with the killing of them for their simple existence. However, I do understand it is the best method to get rid of them. Regardless, the treatment that they have had and the methods used to euthanize them have been exemplary. So, I commend the vets and other people who were involved for doing that and ensuring they had a peaceful end to their life. Thanks for that, Kat. Peter's satisfied with that, but the most satisfied of all are residents from Bachelor. Local resident Darnell S. Ingle has also said that. What have you reckon, Darnell? Yeah, hey there, Tom. Fair income, it's the best thing that friggin' council's ever done, I tell ya. Bird life's returned to the pool. I reckon if one cat was caught, then that whole program was worth it, eh? Well then, Darnell, it was certainly worth it. In just 2 days, in June, 26 feral cats were caught in just the town pool alone. Most of these were found by you. Would you mind telling us a bit more about that? Yeah, look mate, I was not surprised. I've seen heaps of moggies congregating in the mornings and at nights to eat the birds, because they come in for a drink and a feed, from all the fruit trees I've planted around town. It was a pretty special feeling though, I must say. Thanks for that, Darnell. We'll catch up with you sometime soon. Cats were introduced into Australia by European settlers. These highly adapted animals encountered few predators due to their introduced status, with the exception of a few breeds of snakes, large birds of prey, and crocodiles. Encountering minimal challenges, they began to live in the bush and scrub. The plentiful prey soon allowed numbers to rapidly breed up and spread inland. But just how do feral cats affect the agricultural industry? According to the Department of Agriculture, Water and the Environment, feral cats cause the agricultural industry up to $12 million each year. This is due to the diseases cats spread to livestock and poultry. In particular, sheep and goats are most sensitive. Parasites, such as Toxoplasma and Cytocytis, release eggs from the host into the environment before they're ingested into the livestock. It is estimated that over 62,000 unborn lambs are aborted due to these diseases each year. These parasites are easily spread by animals grazing in an area where there are cats dung, where the eggs inhabit. Pictured is a diagram which represents how cats, which are their definitive host, spread the disease over to livestock. Ultimately, the feral cat program has saved hundreds of animals per night. It has returned bird life to the town and given hope to both wildlife lovers and cat fans alike to coexist in peace and have a relatively harmonious existence together. Should the program continue, ideally across Australia, we could see thousands more animals saved, as well as more responsible pet ownership.